Hey guys, what's up? The Bus Show here, and today we're going to probably be unboxing some photos and looking at a Stagecoach bus ticket. So yeah, let's get into it. Give me a second, guys. Here we go. And let's just open it up. And it looks like we have a slide. So yeah, let's just open the packet. If you want to know what the slide is, it's a Western Greyhound. The ones in, well, I should say the ones that were in Cornwall, I think, before they got destroyed by a fire, which wasn't good. Obviously that was before I liked buses. So yeah, here is the slide. I'll probably just put it up to the window to show you a bit better. So yeah, I'll be back in a minute. So yeah, here is the slide in all its glory. So you can see it is off a Western Greyhound coach. And yes, I will get the registration plate from eBay and obviously put it in the text below. So yeah, now let's go and have a look at that Stagecoach bus ticket. Pause. Spinach. So here we have the Stagecoach bus ticket for an adult single, and it was dated on the 24th of the 06/19. Used at £15.29, so yeah, and £5.50. So yeah, there's the front, and here's the back. And yes, it is Stagecoach in Warwickshire. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So now let's get the thumbnail. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out.